Hello everyone, welcome to SweetieSembly where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Ingenuity rocker. If you're new here and would like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified. Alright, now into the video. This is the layout of the items. 1 is the base frame tube, 2 is the left tube, 3 is the right tube, 4 is the back tube, 5 is the front tube, 6 is the seat pad, 7 is the insert, 8 is the bounce unit, and 9 is the toy bar. Those are all of the items. So to assemble the frame of the rocker, you have to first connect the left and right tube to the backrest tube. You take the backrest tube. As you see, it has these 2 clamps at the back that move. You have to take the backrest tube and insert it into one of the other tubes, and then you take that clamp, you have to press it onto the foot here, and the shape has to fit that groove. And then you do that with the other side of the backrest tube. Then you take the backrest tube. You have to insert it into the holes that are at the ends of the right and left tube, just like this. Then you take the bottom tube and you do the same thing. You insert it into the holes that are at the bottom of the right and left tube. They just slide in. To install the seat pad, you put it over the top of the frame like so, and then you make sure that the sides are over the frame, that all of it is over the frame. And then you take the bottom of the seat pad there and you place it over the bottom of the frame until all of it is nice and tidy. Then you flip the frame. On the back of the seat pad there are buckles. So what you do is you just take those buckles and you connect them together on both sides. To install the insert, you just put the buckle of the seat pad through the hole that is on the insert, and then just place it neatly into the seat pad. To install the toy bar, you can see that the toy bar has these grooves on the insides, while the side of the frame has some divots that stick out. You take the toy bar and you line them up with those divots and you insert them into the grooves. And you can move the toy bar up and down like so. Before installing the bounce unit, you have to put the batteries in. You will need 3 C8 batteries. So to open the back, you have to take a screwdriver and just unscrew the screw. So you can take off the back just like this. and then insert the batteries. And then you screw the cover back on. As you can see, the bounce unit has two divots sticking out on the sides. Those divots go into the grooves on the back of the bouncer like so. To use the bounce unit, you have to press on the power button. Then if you press on the middle button, it turns on the first speed of bouncing. Press it again, it'll turn on the second speed. If you press on the left button, it'll turn music on. If you press it again, it will turn nature sounds on. And then on the right button, you have the volume. It has 3 levels of volume.
And that's how you assemble the Ingenuity rocker. I really hope that was useful for you. Again, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. And also, if you can, I would really appreciate it if you went down to the comment section below and you let me know, 1, if you would like me to make how to operate kinds of videos, or 2, you would like me to show you the safety guidelines of these products as well. And if you can, also let me know what other products or baby gear you would like for me to assemble next. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you in the next video.